In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I became a digital marketer. So keep watching. Hi, I'm Ravina. I have been asked time and again how I became a digital marketer on my old channel. So I decided to make a brand new channel where I will only speak about digital marketing and how, where, what, when, where, what happened, and all my choices that led me to digital marketing as a career. So before I get started, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you were watching me on my previous channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you are just watching for my digital marketing content, it will mean a lot to me. Done? So I was always a creative child and I decided that I wanted to be a cartoonist when I was 12 years old. That is where I can remember how the creative side of me. Not like other kids, I did not have big dreams of being an doctor or scientist or anything because I knew my limits. I was not attracted to science and I was a very creative kid, so that's why I wanted to be a cartoonist. But somehow I landed up taking science in 11th and 12th, and that led to a downfall in my academic years. But keeping that aside, I was pretty much good in my 10th art class, so I kept the fuel burning. And when it came to choosing a college for myself, I chose one which would lead me to becoming a cartoonist or choose a creative field like graphic designing. But before I come to that, let's speak about what my college degree was. So I studied BMM, which is Bachelor's in Mass Media, and I took the specialization animation, but there were other specializations like filmmaking, journalism, VFX, gaming, and yeah, that's about it. That's as far as I could remember. So it was so my college consisted of only creative specializations, which was a plus point because there I learned how a camera works, what animation is, how timing is very important in animation, and so on and so forth. So basically in my specialization classes, I learned softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Maya. And then later on in my common subjects, I learned consumer behavior, communications, media's platform, how media plays a role in the government, etc., etc. So just a brief of what media is in general, which I did not know would be so important in the further to come years of my career where I took up digital marketing. I will weave this in the later part of the video so you can understand the basics of it. So basically in my third year, I took up an internship in a startup where I was an graphic designing intern. First I was taking videos and editing them, so it was a jack of all trades but master of all soon to become, something like that. And then when I was doing graphic designing, I became addicted to this fast result and the fast output of whatever we were making. So basically we were making graphic designing advertisements that were to be posted on social media of our clients, and we were getting responses. So this hooked me, whereas in animations it used to take days and hours to create one video, which in turn did not make me feel very fulfilling. I'm somebody who needs fast results. So then I thought of taking up graphic designing as a full-time career, and I worked at the same company for 3 years as a graphic designer. So basically what the point is here, I want to say that I was crappy at graphic designing. I was very good at drawing, illustrating and everything, but my graphic designing skills were crappy. I never used a keyboard before with any of the software, so it took me 3 to 4 months learning how to design placements, typography. But I had one thing in my head that whatever I do, I want to be the best at it. So I chose to be a graphic designer at a firm for 3 years, where I saturated everything that I could learn as a graphic designer, and side by side I kept learning about content, about social media marketing, paid ads, SEO, promotions, whatever whatever kind of information and knowledge I could consume, I absorbed it like a sponge. The most important thing that you should take note of here is that learning is the key to digital marketing. Keep learning, keep building skill sets. That's how I leveled up my game as a digital marketer and as a graphic designer as well. So while I was doing my graphic designing, I was creating a portfolio where I had content, SEO, I was doing freelance projects, or I was doing self-made projects, self-funded projects as well on my website and posting it on my website. So there's a portfolio, and if someone wants to see my work, I can just send them my website. Portfolio is very important to level up in a game. If you are a content writer, if you're a graphic designer, whatever you do, if you want to step up, have a portfolio, learn new things, learn new skills every time. And when I had skills that were capable of making me a digital marketer, I started hunting for jobs, and sooner I found a suitable job where digital marketing was fitting in with my designing skills as well. So I had a job of my caliber, and that's how I became a digital marketer. So the takeaway points from this video is level up your skills. If you haven't studied in a college that has provided digital marketing skills, learn while you are working. Like I was learning content while I was graphic designing. That are two different jobs entirely, but I still learned. And for me, content came naturally because I am very good at speaking in English and curating content. So take up skills that you are good at, you are passionate about, and start working upon them, brushing upon them, and become good and better every day with it. So that's how I became a digital marketer. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And in the comment section, please let me know if this video has helped you. If you are trying to be a digital marketer, get connected on my social media platforms below. Bye. Until next time.